Hey guys! Okay, so I am like super behind on all my videos. We've been in the new house for a month now and I'm just now getting all my videos put together and put up. So I'm currently working on trying to get updated. So I'm just going to do one video to cover this past month. Okay, so what happened was, so we moved in and then like a couple weeks, maybe even just a week, we all got sick, so we didn't do any unpacking. I didn't get any footage for a while. It was hard. And then on top of that we had already gotten a bunch of animals, which I'll explain in a minute. So that said, I'm really behind on everything. But yeah, so about a couple weeks after we moved in, we got 3 goats. We got a mama goat and her little 5-month-old, and the mama goat was already bred back, and then a buck. So we got those 3. I got some footage of us getting them, but it was night already, so I don't know how good it's gonna look, but I'll put some footage in right here. There we go. Oop, got bad butt. There you go. Hey, buddy. Aww. You're gonna be okay. Need your mama.
Yeah, her little funny teeth. I don't even know if I'd be able to milk her. He was saying she'll get right up in the stanchion and stuff. Are you recording?
Yeah.
But Matilda might have to milk her. Smaller. Look at his little tail wagging. It's so cute. Oh, okay.
His little beard. Hey, girl. How you doing? Hey, mama. So how'd the building go?
Good. Lots of fingers. It's alright.
It's looking really good. Seems pretty good and solid.
Yeah, and there's plenty of room inside.
Oh, that's fine. Nice and cozy in there. What do you think of your new home, buddy? What'd you think? What'd you think? Stinky man.
And she was like, Shady Valley dancing.
Aww.
I was like, yeah. She's like, that's so weird.
They're lit.
I know, so she's doing it earlier.
So we got more Mama and Delilah.
So we named her Mama.
Yeah.
Hey, Mama. Here, I'm gonna put something.
And then, I think a week after that, we got 40 chicks. What do you think of the chicks?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Don't let her stick her hands in there.
Chicky! Yeah! So cute.
What is that black void?
Can you open that door for me? Yeah.
Well, they're warm now. They're freezing.
You need some farm shoes and farm clothes?
Yeah.
Yeah, you do. What clothes are you wearing now?
The pink. The one.
Can you open that door by yourself?
No, the hot one.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, just wait, it's too me.
Stop for a second.
Did you lock it? Locked us out.
Watch your fingers. Come on in.
And then, March 1st, our mama goat had her kids. She kidded. She had 2 boys and a girl, and they are so adorable. But that was actually a really interesting experience because pretty much we missed the birth and she just had them on her own. I got some footage of us when we first found the babies, but they're all doing really good. Everyone's really healthy. They're just so stinking cute. It's all I can do to not be out there all day. You already did it all on your own. We just came out here. And there's just babies, all of a sudden, babies. They're already all out, there's 3 out.
Oh my gosh, they're so freaking tiny.
They're adorable.
Good job, Mama. Go get me that, raspberry leaf.
I mean, it's just like, she just did it.
That's just pro. I knew she was getting close.
It's so sweet.
Don't eat my hair more.
She's cleaning them and doing everything. I heard, that's what I was hearing. Yeah. I was hearing them crying. I'm like, what is that? It was them all along.
Good job, Mama. So little. Okay, I'm gonna grab this one.
Oh my god. I'm a nurse, but
Good.
it's going on the wrong side.
2 billies in the dough. Yep, the speckled ones are billies.
I'm not in proper clothing. None of us are. Oh my gosh. So cute.
I have that other one. This one's kind of...
Yeah. She's not really paying this one much attention.
Yeah.
And he's not really walking around like the others.
Oh, it's cold.
She did such a good job, just completely on her own.
Always does. She's a good mom.
Right now, I'm holding this little guy. He's not doing as good as the others. He's really weak still. And Mama wasn't paying as much attention to him. And he's not nursing very well. He's not like getting into position. He's just not strong enough. But Dad's gonna pick up some B vitamins for him, so hopefully that will help. But I think he's gonna be alright. Stand up on his own. Drink a bunch of electrolyte water. She's starting to look in the room that we haven't shown to her. But yeah, so all the animals are doing good. The 40 chicks that we have are growing nicely, and we haven't had one die, which is like amazing for us. We've also been working on putting in some garden beds this past week, and that's going really good. We were getting kind of discouraged about the land because it's just so rocky, and the guy that owned the house before us used a lot of pesticides and spray, and of course we don't want any of that. We want everything to be as natural as possible. So that's been kind of difficult, trying to, you know, work out where we're going to put everything, and you know, this land is just really depleted of nutrients, and it's just not where it needs to be. So we're definitely going to have to work with it. I mean, we knew that already, but definitely going to have to work on getting the soil to where we need it to be. So yeah, we're getting everything kind of established. We're getting there. We've definitely just jumped right into farming. You know, within a month we have 40 chicks, 6 goats, and we are thinking about getting our milk cow next week. We're so excited about that. She is a Dexter cow, and she has a little calf, and she is pregnant. We're super excited about that. I think it's definitely going to be an interesting experience with her, because this cow, she's never been milked, and that's what we want her for, so we're definitely going to have to work really hard with her. But we're excited, and I think it's going to be really great. Thanks for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe. I'm planning on posting a new video every Friday. Tell me what you think in the comments, and I will see you later. Bye!